You can't have your cake and eat it too. This video explains the meaning of this proverb and then tells how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, succeed. You can't have your cake and eat it too. This popular proverb encapsulates the idea that one cannot have or experience two conflicting things at the same time. While it may seem desirable to possess both options, reality often forces us to make choices and sacrifices. In our quest for success and happiness, we must learn to prioritize and make conscious decisions that align with our goals and values. By accepting this wisdom, we can navigate life's challenges more effectively, making the most of the opportunities that come our way. It reminds us that in order to gain certain benefits or achieve specific outcomes, we must be willing to let go of other possibilities. So let us embrace this timeless proverb as a gentle reminder to carefully consider our choices, act with intention, and focus our energy on what truly matters to us. In the pursuit of our dreams and desires, it is crucial to understand that sacrifices and trade-offs are inevitable. We cannot expect to have it all without making difficult choices. Life often presents us with multiple paths, each holding its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Take, for example, a person torn between starting their own business and pursuing a stable career. While being your own boss may offer independence and potential financial rewards, it also comes with uncertainties and risks. On the other hand, a stable career may provide security and a steady income, but it might restrict one's entrepreneurial ambition. The proverb, "You can't have your cake and eat it too," reminds us that we cannot simultaneously enjoy the benefits of both options. To live a fulfilling life, it is necessary to evaluate our priorities and determine what truly matters to us. This requires introspection and self-awareness. We must ask ourselves, what are our long-term goals? What are we willing to give up in order to achieve them? By acknowledging the choices that must be made, we empower ourselves to make informed decisions and pursue the paths that align with our values. Moreover, understanding the essence of this proverb allows us to approach challenges and setbacks with resilience. When faced with obstacles, we can remind ourselves that every setback carries an opportunity for growth. By relinquishing what we cannot have, we open ourselves up to new possibilities and experiences that may ultimately lead us towards success and happiness. In conclusion, the proverb, "You can't have your cake and eat it too," serves as a valuable reminder that life requires choices and sacrifices. It urges us to be mindful of our decisions, prioritize our goals, and let go of unrealistic expectations. Embracing this wisdom allows us to approach life's challenges with a sense of clarity and resilience. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment, and subscribe to the channel.